double chin be cured with non-surgical fat reduction? Yes, it depends on what is causing your double chin. In certain age group, especially above the age of 60, double chin can be as a result of sagging skin. For that, the body sculpting methods I mentioned can be utilized, but in some people it can be due to fat accumulation in these areas. Then these methods, in addition to injection lipolysis, can be used. Okay. All right. Any other question? Okay. Yeah, I've mentioned Aquatics before. Okay, I'll talk about it again. So Aquatics is an example of injection lipolysis. It is common in Africa and Europe. America has Kybella, but you can also find Aquatics in America also. Okay, Tifa Fashion Store. I have a question, please. Can anyone do this procedure on me? Not just anyone can do this procedure or perform this procedure on the patient. It has to be by a healthcare practitioner who has been certified to carry out these techniques, especially when it involves injection lipolysis. Okay, royalty seals. Please, you can go into the DM and your matter will be resolved. Any other questions? Welcome to all of you just joining. We are talking about non-surgical methods for fat reduction. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. So to recap, these are non-surgical methods. That is, you do not have to go under the knife to eliminate stubborn fat in certain areas of your body. Areas include under your chin, your abdomen, or your tummy, your thighs, your arms, even for breast in men, which is known as gynecomastia. Methods include injection lipolysis, radiofrequency lipolysis, laser lipolysis. Okay, how soon after giving birth can I get it done? So, like I said earlier, for you to be eligible for this procedure, you are not pregnant and you are not breastfeeding. It's advised that you breastfeed for 6 months. This is WHO. So after you're done breastfeeding, you can come for this procedure. That's like 6 months after giving birth. Okay. How much? The prices differ from who you meet, but it can range from 55 and above, depending on what, 55,000 naira and above, depending on what procedure you are doing. So, Ebun Momo, hello, how many sessions on an average for this procedure? For injection lipolysis, about 3 sessions. 3 sessions before you see significant results. Same thing or similar for other methods I mentioned above. Injection lipolysis, laser lipolysis, radiofrequency lipolysis, and cool sculpting. Yeah. Okay. Ken's Beautified Empire. Can a nurse give Aquatics injection? Yes, a nurse can give Aquatics injection, but she has to be certified by Aquatics or any brand, because there are certain injection techniques involved in giving these injections. Okay. So, question from Maya.oa. Does Laserdem offer training on these methods for aesthetic physician? Yes, we offer training. You have to go into the DM and we'll talk more about that. But Laserdem does offer training for physicians and nurses for this procedure. From Dami, can these procedures be mixed? For example, aquatics and exilis. So exilis is an example of radiofrequency lipolysis. So these two procedures can be mixed and they will actually give better results than just doing only one. Can someone from Kapan K, can someone do it after appendix operation? Yes, you can do it after your appendix operation, but your wound area or your surgical site wound has to have been healed. It takes about a month or so to completely heal. So yes, you can have it done after your appendix operation. From Eve Online 247, how many valves does one need per session? On an average, 3 valves, but no more than 5 valves per session. The only part of your body that might need 1 valve is under your chin, but the rest of your body, on an average, 3 valves. Does it have any after effects from 626 design? Yes, there will be some side effects. Let me give you an example. So for injection lipolysis, when you have this procedure done, obviously there will be bruising because of injection. The bruising lasts for 24 hours. Then it goes down. There might be some redness and swelling as the fat dissolving agent is working. But it all resolves within maximum 3 days, depending on the area that has been injected. All right. All right. Any other questions? Okay, for those that are just joining in, we are talking about non-surgical methods for fat reduction. For those who are scared to go under the knife, this method is suitable for them. But for you to be eligible for this procedure, you have to have a full consultation done to determine if you're eligible. But here's a few eligibility criteria. You do not have to be pregnant. You should not be breastfeeding. You should not have any skin infection or skin disease in the areas to be treated. You should not be severely ill. You should be mentally fit. These are examples of people who are eligible for this procedure. Okay. Questions. Let's see. What's the cost of injection lipolysis? So it depends on who is offering this treatment. But the minimum I have seen is 55,000 naira. It goes from 55,000 naira and above. Let's see, from top 5 best reviews. Can I have it before giving kids? Yes, you can have it before giving kids, but you should leave adequate time in between before you try and conceive. Let's say it depends on what result you want to achieve. So like I said before, about 3 sessions. So you can give it about 3 months before you start trying to conceive. So athlete graphics, what about exilis? So like I said earlier, exilis is a form of radiofrequency lipolysis. It's mostly used for body sculpting and skin tightening, but it can be used to reduce fat in certain areas of your body. And when used in addition to injection lipolysis or any other form of fat reduction, it can be very effective. From Lillian Chikere, how much is the 3 sessions? I assume that's sessions. So, like I said, it depends on who is offering this treatment. But I know the least around town is about 55,000 or thereabout. So 55,000 and above. So